Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about something you might not think about often, but it's essential in every bathrooms. Toilet paper holders ideas. Yes, toilet paper holders can be both useful and stylish. If you want to make your bathroom more organized and attractive, you are in the right place. Let's check out some cool ideas. Before we get into the ideas, let's talk about why toilet paper holders are important. They help keeping your bathroom neat, stop the toilet papers for getting wet, and can make your bathroom looks better. Let's start with the basic wall mounted toilet paper holders. These are the ones you often see on bathroom walls. They comes in different styles and finishes to match your bathroom. If you have a busy bathroom, think about holders that can hold more than one roll. They are great for when you need extra toilet papers. Stand-alone holders are handy if you don't want to drill holes in your walls. They comes in different looks for plain to fancy. Want a clean and modern look? Consider holders that are set into the wall so they are flush with it. They save space and look sleek. For extra storage, try holder with shelves. They are perfect for keeping extra rolls, toilets, or decoration. Add some fun to your bathroom with unique holders. You can find ones that looks like animals, vintage faucet, or even tree benches. Get crafty and make your own custom holders. You can turn everyday items into cool toilet papers holders that show off your style. For a modern touch, try magnetic holders. They use magnet to hold the roll on, look sleek and simple. Finally, check out the holders with extra features. Some have bullet-in storage for magazines, tables, or a small shelf for your phone. There you have it, cool and practical toilet paper holders ideas that you can make your bathrooms better. Whether you like classic holders or want to add some personality with unique designers, your choice can make your bathroom more organized and good looking. If you found these toilet paper ideas helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more home important and decoration tips.